Hello Shopee sellers! This is Sally. Sally is also a Shopee seller who sells women's fashion items. While she sells and sends out many orders every day, Sally doesn't receive any payments until the orders are successfully delivered. This affects her cash flow and the ability to replenish her stock, which slows down her business. But there is a way. Shopee can help your cash flow with Shopee Quick Funds. Here's a quick look at your business without and with Quick Funds. Quick Funds is fast and easy. Sally is now able to receive her sales funds once the items are shipped. She'll also get to enjoy a 7-day free trial on her first disbursement. It makes her business cash flow smoother. Quick Funds only charges minimal fees daily between disbursement and order completion with an automatic payment system, so Sally never has to worry about late payments. Now, Sally's business keeps growing. Grow your business the way Sally has with Shopee Quick Funds that will help improve your cash flow. Don't wait! Activate Quick Funds now. To learn more about Quick Funds, visit seller.shopee.com.my/edu.